Welcome guys. In this video we will take a look at the animation tab here in PowerPoint. Now right now again you will see all of this animation option is grayed out. It is disabled right now. If I just click on any of the text, okay, for example if I just select this text, you will see this animation panel will light up and all the options are enabled right now. Okay, now you can choose any of the animation. If I just click here, we will see all the animation available in the PowerPoint. Now it is categorized in three sections. The first is entrance. Now these animation is for entrance. Second one is emphasize. This animation is used in special occasions. And the last one is exit. Okay, this animation is used for exit. Okay, now in order to apply any animation, just click on any of the animation and that animation will apply to the selected text or any image or any object. Okay, you can apply animation to any image, any text or any object, to whatever thing you want to apply. Okay, you can even apply your animation to video clip in your presentation. Okay, now here you can see one is written beside this text box. Okay, now this is the sign that this animation is applied to this one. And now if I apply a second animation to this text, you see 2 will be written beside this second text. Okay, subtitle you can see. And if I apply third animation, a third will be written beside the selected object or any shape or any text. Okay, I will remove the animation from this. Now in order to remove animation, just click on the number and then click on delete. Okay, or you can just go up here and click none. Okay, both will be work same. Okay, after that, once you applied your animation, in effect option you will see some different animation effects. Now these option will vary depending upon the animation you have selected. For example, if I just select fade, okay, you see these option will be different, and if I select split, you see these option will be different. Okay, and from here I will select from vertical out. Okay, after that the next thing here you see is add animation. Now this is the same panel you will see here. Now one more thing here you'll see is motion paths. Now we will talk about this motion paths in our upcoming videos, so don't worry about this. After that, here you see animation pane. Okay, now this animation pane is where you'll find all the animation. You can find lots of cool stuff here. First of all, if I just click on this icon here, you will see start on click. Now what this means, whenever I mouse click, this animation will start. After that, the second one is start with previous. Okay, for example, when second animation or anything happen in the presentation, our animation will trigger. Okay, and one more thing, if I again apply animation to this text also, here you see now we have 2 options in our animation pane. Okay, and if I apply another animation, that other animation will also be visible here. Okay, again if I just click on this icon, we have bunch of options here. Start after previous, start with previous. Now these options are very self-explanatory. Okay, after that if I just click on effect option, a new panel will open here. Okay, now here first of all I can change the direction of my animation. Okay, again these options will be different depending upon the animation you have selected. The next thing here you'll see is you can also add sound to your animation. Now I don't recommend you to add any sound to your animation. Next thing, after animation, don't dip. If you want dip, you can add some dip color here. For example, if you want your animation to turn yellow after animation is ended, okay, you can just click on any color here. Okay, now I don't recommend you, but I am just showing you for demonstration purpose. Animate text. Okay, if you want all text to be animated at once, just click on all at once. And if you want animate word by word, you can just click. Okay, you can also animate letter by letter. Okay, now if I just play this for you right now, if I just play the animation, now here you can see all the text is being animated at once. Okay, and if you want your animation to be word by word, again go to effect option and select word. Okay, now if I play my animation, you can see it is animated word by word. and you can also do the same like letter by letter. I'll select all at once. Okay, after that you can also change the time and duration of your animation. Okay, first of all you can start your animation with previous and after previous or on click. Okay, I will select on click. After that you can delay your animation. For example, if you want some kind of delay for your animation, you can easily add your animation delay. For example, if I add 1 second delay, okay, and duration, you can increase the duration. I will select medium, that's 2 seconds. It will take 2 seconds to animate this text. Okay, you can increase or decrease it according to your own need. Repeat, if you want your animation to repeat, you can just set it here. For example, you can want to repeat it 2 times, you can select 2 times. If you want your animation to repeat 10 times, you can select 10 times. You can also select until next click or until end of slide. Okay, I will select 1 time. Okay, and then click on OK. The next thing here you will see is start. Now this is already I told you about start on click with previous, after previous. Okay, so you can also change your duration from here. You can also add delay here. Okay, now all of these are same option which we see here in our animation pane and effect option. Okay, now if I just play my animation, you can see it takes its time because we have added 1 second of delay and 2 seconds of duration. That's why it's take 2 seconds. And we also set the dim color of yellow. Okay,